Where is he?
In there.
What's in there? What is that?
A pillow
A pillow what?
with Griper and toys.
Is this your couch cave?
Yeah, but Griper can stay.
Oh, it looks like he's trying to get out. Hey, move the door. Oh, where are you going, Gray? Why don't you get in there with him? Get in.
Okay, I will.
Oh, Gray, you coming out?
No, I don't want him to get out.
Okay, well he's going back in. Oh, there goes the wall.
But I can wait a little bit.
Careful, Boyd. Oh no, it's caving in. Okay,